Hi, today I'm going to show you a tool that could help make your Windows 11 experience even more better and take it to the next level. Now, this is a tool that's pretty well known in the community. It's called Rectify 11. Basically, it's a tool to help you customize your Windows 11 experience. It advertises things like a full dark theme, updated icons, a control panel, better context menus, and transparency. So if you want to download this, just search up Rectify 11 or type in this address here, https:/rectify11.net/home. And once here, you just have to scroll down and then click on the download button right here. Let's just download it real quick. Now let's just wait for it to download. Let's wait for it to finish. Now, once installed, let's just open it up. Let's go to our download folder here, and you'll have the zip right here. Of course, we'll have to extract it. Just right click, go to WinRAR, click on extract here to extract the program. And then it'll have our installer ready right here. The installer exe, just double click it, click on yes. And then it'll say welcome. Let's just click on install, click on next, click on agree. You can choose what will be rectified. I'll choose all of these. Click on next, and then you'll have the theme here. So dark with mica if you like, or dark/partial. I'll just choose dark, and then click on next. Now you can pick what you want as well. So you can have enhanced fluent menus, classic context menu, and classic menus with transparency. I'm just going to click on next. And then you can see this is what you are about to do. You are about to do the following: install Rectify 11 on this window installation. So it'll have to patch icon, install themes, accent, color, colorizing, enhance context menu, rectified cache, rectified 11 wallpaper, and remastered user avatars. You see, you can also create a user point restore point here. But once you're ready with this, just click on install, and then it'll elevate your Windows 11 experience. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.